Yetihana Afenyo Markin kojina parliament. Eka chere Ghana for say NDC for I don't know move for youth in ejuma. I didn't know move for youth in ejuma. Omaba power. I didn't know move for youth in ejuma. Oh yeah, youth and the youth they should go into this and the youth he's speaking for the youth. Afenyo Markin after the NDC won power and because they actually employed NPP for without telling Ghanaians illegally into our security system or security setup or security various agencies before election 2024 NPP for quietly employed illegal party members because illegal they did not have the qualification to be in our various security agencies. What they did was that they illegally employed our party for without telling Ghanaians. After election Mahamadu Bawumia and Afenyo Markin the constituency and I the constituency say you better send your NDC for be for omunko for juma. You better NDC for be send your for omunko for into police. Omo better send your for into army. Omo better because they know what they have done. Afenyo Markin he went to his constituency. This Afenyo Markin. Listen to him.
The prison. Listen, NDC boys, when you do man yet, so what party arena? Alex now go to police or Buyo. Soldier now Buy. What so him ya ye manager? When you want boys to go police, they are there. When you want go immigration, they are there. When you want go soldier, they are there. When you want go fire service, the penny is you know who. Who go do? Now obey one there. Your opposition. Now the young Kojo. What's it? Yeah. What's in the world recorded to? What about the NPP youth? What could I watch a uniform? Our competition. Many hands of food. What so him ya ye manager? When you want boys to go police, they are there. When you want go immigration, they are there. When you want go soldier, they are there. When you want go fire service, the penny is you know who. Who go do? Now obey one there. Your opposition. Now the young Kojo. What's it? Yeah. Who will do? What's in the world recorded to? What about the NPP youth? What could I watch a uniform? Competition.
So now you see why I keep advising you the NDC young men and women. So what happened, Markin? You saw what they did. And they know what is happening. So now you see how the NDC is struggling to get jobs for the young people. Because before they left office, almost as rascals, and they go into the Ghana army, you will see it. Go into the Ghana police service. Go into the fire service. Into Sakwasia, we are parliament. Create jobs for the Ghanaian youth. Move from where 500,000 people. Where are they going to get jobs? They know what they did. Before they left office, that is the danger they put Ghana in. And so everything they do in parliament, it is basically to destroy you. It means who will be out to social media or to TV and is angry with the government. Why is it? I said, no, relax. Maybe you don't understand the dynamics going on. The NPP, they know what they have done. They know the traps they have set for this government. They know the illegal recruitment they did How many of you people are more Ghana heard about recruitment under NPP before election 2024? But the constituency catch almost say, and this is for Mayashe. Because we already have our people in there. Now the question here is, and this is about power. Do they have to go in and say, we NPP, go? It does not work like that. But what I'm trying to let you understand is say, answer na kasa after what is going on. You need to sometimes hold it a little bit and look at the people you are dealing with. Answer na kasa tia aban, answer na kasa tia minister, answer na make a statement. Answer na ebia uye penyini, and you are making some statement out of emotions. You first need to step back. My experience in this job is that get to the bottom of it before you speak. My experience in this job is that get to the bottom of the issue before you speak. Because you see, when you take just the surface of the matter, now you end up at the end of the day with a mistake. This is the same person, Okojina parliamentar, or my NDC pressure. Mufenipa, but you see the illegality they did. He was in his constituency, and the deplorables, dirty village people, and all katu omutrim. Ya employ and call for illegally, and we did not create any space for the NDC to employ anybody. But these are the same animals in parliament telling Ghana for say, we are for you, the youth. We are talking for you. The NPP does not care about anybody. Yatina Kroma, NPP catcher say they were going to use e-levy to create 11 million jobs. E-levy jobs in a way. They were said in 2021. The NPP told us, Afenyo Markin Kirby, they went around the nation to tell us, say, 11 million jobs. These are the same animals standing in parliament telling Ghana for say, they are for the youth, they support the youth, they love the youth. They don't. The NPP as a political party led by this pig, Afenyo Markin, they don't respect the youth, they don't care about anybody, they do politics with you. Because I'm getting some way Jimmy. The NPP as a political party, I'm getting some way Jimmy. So they play on your conscience. You see the way Muntaka was struggling. When we see Biana Muntaka Ebre, how to make sure a lot of Ghanaians have been picked. The space is small. But the same NPP people were going after Muntaka. They were going after him. But Afenyo Markin told his constituents, you load the system, no, you're illegal, you're parking Kofuegum, they cannot do it. But also parliament, they were pressurizing Muntaka. And I was telling you people here, you cannot fault Muntaka because Muntaka wants to be in power for 50 years. John Mahama wants NDC to stay in power for 41 years. Why would they sit down and say they will not employ the youth? It is because the NPP created a demon. They deliberately did that. So the civil society, the government sector, they choked it. Yet Kroma na NPP for parliament say, Adentina abano eyin kophobia di ni Kroma. They came to parliament and they were screaming. Why were they screaming? The government was like, a lot of these people did not have qualification. NPP for Bejina Parliament catch Ghana for and say, NDC abane time Ghana for, but they knew what they had done. The NPP, that limited liability company, is a dangerous company. Don't underestimate them. Omwe Jimmy, omwe mambo for. Me I can Mahamadu be president 20 years because these are people they are not good people. They are stupid people. 11 million e-levy jobs no away. Where 11 million jobs no way. E-levy sikam and where is the money? Me catch him debi out Afenyo Markin is a pig. And will be some metano. Ma catch them in Yankopon. He will never go to parliament again. Afenyo Markin, he can spend all the money he has. Ewutu senya whatever, he never enter parliament again. Afenyo Markin, he will never enter parliament after 2028. He can build all the houses, do whatever he wants to do at Ewutu. I will show Afenyo Markin say me my damn channel. He will never enter parliament and he will never get over it. Eben said damn, Eben said a damn. Now you understand. So don't just, you see, and I don't fault some of you people. Ejuma, it takes time. You grow, you start to understand, and you start to check the way you do it. Me need all the experience, but kakra mesua with NPP for muno. When there's an issue, I don't just speak about it. I don't allow my emotions to take over me. No. Me, I don't fight people on social media again. So study me, I don't do that again. I don't mention people's names anyhow. Because I see myself say, I have gained too much experience and I have too much reach to allow small things to get to me. You will never get me. Internet, so it will not get to me. I've gotten to that point where I've been able to go through the mail. I understand how this works. And I've mastered this game. And this game is all about timing, consistency, and making sure you are able to control your emotions when there is an issue. You just don't go out there and speak. The moment you are not able to master these things, or you fail to master these things, you always get it wrong. That is why majority of the people who watch me, nobody can come out one day and say, Kevin, document Net2 TV, this is not boy. You can't, because myself and my team, we double check everything that we put out. I don't care about what somebody is saying, how they perceive me, but what I do is my consistency and my hallmark, that is credibility. I protect it every single day I sit here. We should all learn. We should all understand. Anything I recently, do you see me fight people? Do you see me go back and forth? The people I have picked issues with this year, Samira Bawumia and Afenyo Markin. These two people, I'll never forgive them in my life. But apart from that, so when somebody could be then maybe I'm making fun of the person or I'm just joking. But for me to have a one-on-one banter, say, Obia Bomi baby, Obia Kabibia Famihon, no better I say, Nipa we come home asem, Nipa we Kabibia Famihon, into me bofu, into me respond. Now, majority of them will not even see the end of this year. Why should I even be worried about people who will not see the end of the year? No, I've passed that stage. It is what me critically. I don't entertain those kind of things. I don't come and sit here and say, Matis Obia Bomidin, Intinipa we are Bomidin. I tune my mind. You are not even part of my production. You are not part of my focus. I try to speak to the people I want to speak to. Because me experience with Juma Wemu. Now, let us upload something. And Afenyo Markin Asia test con 4. We have done 2 hours 55 minutes. Let us kill this one. People have no idea. Nipa bi okrom ha omonhwe World Cup ni bi. Makasa asem we bi damboa. There are some people, Ghanaians in this country. Almost on matan krom ha che. Enye John Ambantem for ibi o enye 3 months 4 months for. Enkophobia go krom ha makasa asem we. Some of them will not watch the World Cup. This 2020 day. This World Cup coming up in June, July. Ebin shebi. So World Cup abe two krum so omu shebi. And Paul Ambantem for no mama 1990 krum ha be jibi jon wa ko omu di kram po dem dom ntafre. I'm talking about those who sit in America, so omu ti America. Omu di omu so mo nkrata ate ha. Some of them will not watch the World Cup. Yewa ha. Now, and the Afenyo Markin eka sembi oshia test con 4. Ope enkwara omo Jimmy pa wo Ghana a student omo universities omo so test con omo Jimmy. You know why? Because at least when you are a student, so ma me no papa eka se ko school they expect to say we wura school no they wunim no omo nim. They wo kan no omo ntumi kan. Send your wadwini ye adwuma no. Omo hu ni say wajuni sebio eba wajuni ebia echi. So parents become very proud of their children when they see them go to tertiary. All because omu ni say dia wako sua no omu nsue bi. Meaning when you be eba din so bi be da. Enti enti na yawofo ni bi. Omu mani bi so makọ university a na omakuma atom ye nom de hoaho omu ho ewo asare ni ade efri say omutirimu no meba we de onim de obi mpontumi mmume. That is the reason. It was say awofo bi ehwaho omomba edi omomba etwampo a it is because omunya a source of security insurance cover. Say me ba we akosua de na minimum no onim enti asemesin tumi ntwame. So that is their insurance cover. That is their protection. So they believe say the moment awo suapon mu nko ade uye obi a sebio wadwene mu do. Now say wo suapon mu na wankasa ntumi ntena se enkenkan enka say makan ade wei mafifi mu medi akire makonwu say ade wei de say na tie de na wo suapon na wo bu no wo yakwase a wagimi o papa krama bi odafie ana preko bi a onye no no sa preko no wo so onfa so che wo test koni na wo university na I'm telling you and open kwara o magimi wo Ghana pa o student a test students a school for more universities tertiary institutions are almost ka NPP ho the one of the most dumbest foolish idiots in this country Ghana. Open kwara o Jimmy pa ntumi kenkan mo madwene mu mbie ya a test confor. Why do I say that? Now you see this and Afenyo Markin ehia test confor and as someone catch them and say minority leader Afenyo Markin has encouraged TESCON members to reject tribal politics and resist what he described as propaganda from the NDC. He added that the NPP values loyalty, hard work, and sacrifice. He cited the party's flag bearer, Mahamadu Bawumia, as an example, stressing that tribal background does not determine one's role or contribution to the party's success. The first thing about the team is not about these kids being very intelligent to understand Papa from Borneo. Sauti se obi wa mantemu na debia odi a particular enkomo odi in particular enkomo e wo so ti ase se sa nipa no sa enkomo na odi no the interest wo ho. When was the last time I would say NDC for student or me NDC for akoshia NDC penyini bi Emma sa 10 for no koshia NDC penyini no NDC penyini no any omo di inkomo afa tribal politics on da ben out say NDC for ne omo students and our student body ehia Emma a conversation about tribalism aba up. When was the last time you heard say NDC students from any tertiary institution akoshia omo members of parliament akoshia the president akoshia omo chairman akoshia any party executive Emma the conversation no what actually tops the conversation a tribe? You've never heard anything like that. You know what? Because the NDC, when you join the NDC in college, in the university, wherever, they don't actually draw a line. They don't create that impression. Say, NDC now will join, you know. It should be about your tribe. And that you should be scared because of your tribe. It is not part of them. And they say, Weshia Obia, Onwa Onje Eye Bunsam Jemundi. The Oji Diane heaven. And the Akachanan say, Onya Papa. Now, Oya Papa, there's something called heaven. A Hongkwan Obeko. A decided panel, because we are blacking out a hell, no. The Oya say, Obeya Papa, because only one option. Only any other option be what it seems say, may another thing that they may be kwaha. The only thing that Nipani say, or born the brother to go to heaven, a Papa Nkwan or Yako heaven. That is the difference between NPP and NDC. The NPP, no, the party is a tribal party. Every single day, no, they are proving themselves to even the young ones. Omoba party, them say, yeah, tribal. Any political party that makes tribalism its topic, wherever they meet, that party is a tribal party. And Aremeyaw say, in Kwara University, tertiary institutions are, and Kamudi Mosia de Kakra Musimunimudi. You are supposed to be able to read between the lines and know said Abi. Sir MP's way, Jimmy. They just want to use that. They want to create an impression, say, party in a tribal party. But realistically, if it is not a tribal party, why are they discussing it? Because if it is not a tribal party, then tribalism conversation should not pop up whenever we meet as a political party. But because party ni Asante for party, na entafo mu wo nyina no Asante for ni mu omo party ni Asante for party a omo mu bi krampo na omo ya kanfo no mu no Asante for ni bi mbu omo nti every day they have to try and do what? Defend themselves. And in 2024, even though they knew Bawumia was dumb, they knew Bawumia could not beat any candidate in Ghana, they knew Bawumia's performance was abysmal, he is a liar, he is a thief, they still insist to say for Bawumia all because 9% for who say a tribal party. So Bawumia no didn't call, it was because they wanted to wash away. They wanted to find a way to make people think, say, the party is not a tribal party. Because the party majority did not support Bawumia. The same thing they have done again. So you can see, said the limited liability company, which is the NPP, they are still trying to prove themselves to Ghana for some tribal party. But the more they prove, the more they expose themselves. Until you could see, say, Afenyo majority of them, they don't have any opportunity to lead the party. So he started making them believe, say, oh, even though you don't have an opportunity, I can create something in your head to say you have an opportunity. The party is an in and out Asante for party. You can be a Northerner, you can be a Guan, you can be a Votarian, you can be what? You can work from heaven to earth. At the end of the day, they will settle on NAPO. At the end of the day, they will tell you, say, Asante for the NPP ba power. Yana na ba for kutona tea party no. You as a Northerner, you as a Voltarian, you as an Inzima, you as a Farafara, you as a Kusasi, you as a what? A Fanti, you still does not or do not have a space in that party called the NPP. It's a fact. It is some making statements which they test conform now. Technically, they want more slaves who work. At the end of the day, no, the air day at the panel echo kotoko. No more catch a kotoko say, enquano me frafrafono, enquano me enzamafono, enquano me infantifono, enqua awonafono, entafom wano, omono mu yankwasi juman edit 2 mini bar Asante. So every day they need to justify why they are not a tribal party. And intina, when they get every opportunity, because they want to recruit more slaves for the party. More non-royals they always want to speak, say adentina nkofo bi say ye tribal, but so when you tribal no because we tribal e che we kromfo and so no be because we kromfo. So every single time they defend themselves, and every time they are defended, you could see that they are jittery. They are trying to let the young people know, say, oh, ye nyina e baako. Me Afenyo make me yahuneni, me ma me gomuani, and mananti ma bedruha, Bawumia ye frafreni, or ye kumampurusini, and wabedruha. They are lying. Party no, mumpo, test kon nibia uwom. We are frafreni, we are nzimani, we are fantini, we are huneni, we are teni, we are dien, we are NPP ni. Because at a point, Omo kacha Kojo Kyeremanteng se ne ma me mfantini told me the party nenimu. Mahamadu Bawumia or your Photoshop or your smoke screen. They are using Bawumia to try and send a message across the say omo tribal party. Yena na ba fo akoto ofri asantemam a oye otumfo ne chiame and a tea party no. Kwase bia ni wi aso betu be deny that fact. The party asantefo himfie party. Inti se wo oya mfantini, oya huneni, oya kroboni, oya sewini, oya bununi, oya teni, oya frafreni, gunsani. Now actually I will say you have a place in a party. Ask yourself, say party ne free kumasino, which role? Where do you sit? Say it's not where do you belong? Inti task conform Jimmy. They are going to use you like pigs. The limited liability party no sanity. Hwene de omde salakao. Hwen sembi om church of salakao ho. Na san kwase asema se Obama etrafa salakao ho no. Ogi so betuma tro the same in kwase asema fa chema wuntumi ho. Salakao no chema wuntumi ha na jimi. Wuntumi ajimi chen salakao because wuntumi ekose party more than salakao. But you see, they are very selective. The same animals want chema wuntumi to be a national chairman, but they have an issue with salakao because oye teni. Don't you people get the connection? Party no mutim no omumbu montafo no omumbu anwonafo no omumbu obia because they believe say wonye kumasini asantini de hia wo yakwasea wo party nim. In some of church Salakawa say Obama a criminal, a thief, a murderer like say Obama a church of Salaka. He can never write anything like that about Ofori Atta. He can never write anything like that about Adie. He can never write anything like that about Afenyo. You know why? Because in their head, a group of people in the party, and Salakau is a typical animal. That is why they will treat them like that. Now, do you understand? Now, if I mention my DB, and you pick the topic, say, can the NPP, would they survive election 2028? Afenyo can make a statement been there. Now, I'm going to send a message to the NPP, the base. The limited liability, the LLC, now a friend NPP, Meguno. The base, that is the limited liability company, a NPP, no Meguno. This limited liability company, it's a liability. It's a company that has a lot of debts. And I will make sure consistently make good party, no. Now, maybe chama die bi ende nwumre enche na mapon hwade. Take your time. I like vitamin A. You like vitamin A too. Now, mama chawade. NDC Afenyo Makeka semin there. See, no NDC seat is safe in 2028. Oshia test conforno. Afenyo Makin bien ano eka semi che test conforno. O see NPP Omu say NDC for MPs no bia ni one is sitting here safe. As what catch them no. Now the question I want to ask Afenyo Markin any MPP for to say Afenyo Markin himself, is his seat safe? Afenyo Markin now odi MPP edim no. The position as the minority leader, is it safe? And his seat on one seat not so is the seat safe for him? Is he going to be able to hold on to the seat? Because Mate said, Sammy Ukuna or sabotage Sagiona no Equiapimona or Koji seat. No, Sammy Ukutu is saying the same thing. Sammy Uku basically used the MPP, the money he made from NLA, to sabotage the lady to take that seat. You know that? Yeah. He planned everything against the lady. He used the money. He pumped some people in the NPP to go after the lady. At a point, he used some people outside the party to go after the lady for him to go take that seat. Samia Uku, he knows. Samia Uku. Matisse also say, every seat, NDC for sitting here in 2028, you know, they are going to win the seat. Oh, really? Mama Chawa. Sometimes the Montana Bontine and realize and share NPP very well, right? Mama Chawa. NPP, majority of their seats, me angasa no 5 seats ameji. No 5 solid seats. I will take it. But you see, Adeba kwa Ghana for him say, so we check in numbers NPP for the parliament. The NDC doesn't have to work that much. We Ghanaians will give the seats to the NDC. And that is one thing that they are hiding from every single Ghanaian. When NPP minority number 90% of them almost sit now, they will lose it. And the reason why they don't talk about their numbers, and they say, majority of them, numbers are to parliament. Some of them were even ministers. Some of them, they were even cabinet ministers. Remember, in 2024, they had the military on their side. They had the police on their side. They had money on their side. And they also had the manipulation of the EC on their side. But you see, when you take your time and look at their respective numbers, you will see, say, 2028, you know, the NPP as a political party, a limited liability company, it will close, it will shut down. Afenyo Markin is lying to the young people. And these are things I am NPP from per se. And you see, we are doing a lot of works underground. What will happen to the NPP in 2028? Ghana Forbeka said, this is not acceptable. The reason I'm saying that is say about 70% of NPP MPs they are not going to come back to parliament. Now, there's one thing I don't like to see, and they don't want their constituents to see, especially Obi to say Kojo Kyeremanteng. Kojo Kyeremanteng in his head, he thinks that people know him in Accra. But when you go down to his constituency, he has done nothing. And Kojo Kyeremanteng will lose his seat in 2028. Yeah. Mamencho, a few of the MPs. Then Obeka say, hey, Now we no numbers of our parliament ni. Hey, iti we no numbers are audit parliament ni NOA de this and you will now understand why majority na yedin komono they don't want anybody to know the numbers of the parliament. Shade. You're starting free. Look at something. You see this seat, Ahafo North, Metrawa there. Something will happen in 2028. You'll be shocked. Ahafo North. In 2020, NPP Nino, onya 21,581. NDC in 2020, onya 19,000. Now, 2024, NDC in Afenyo Eric Nana or Parliament, onya 20,000. NDC in 20,000. Difference eda omuntem, it is less than 100 votes. NPP ninya 20,353 and NDC ninya 20,232. Seat or the vote or the parliament in 100 and 200 votes. Sir, I have Ahafo North, and this seat, I will take it. And let me tell you something. What is going to happen to the NPP? Parliament in any way, because the moment we let Ghanaians know numbers of the parliament, any gap they have small gaps. And remember, all these people, they had the police, they had the military, they had money, they had the government on their side, they manipulated. Ahafo North. This is what the NDC person got, and this is into percentage wise. 49.85 and 50.1. Both at that between MPP and NDC are sitting here MPP and do 200 votes. You get it? Now my mention idea. MPP was said in 2028, every seat is the toss up. Yatiha. We are in Ghana, we will see. Now let me show you another seat. This is another seat. Where Jagbawi, the Landguard. Akwane Afenyo Jerino. 2020, onya 46,000. Where Jagbawi. And this is 32,000. Fast forward in 2024, onya 32,000. From 46,000 to 32,000. And this is 30,000. A difference less than 2,000 votes. This seat, and this will take it. The first one I'm going to have for North, a 161 difference. This one is less than 2,000 votes. Where Jagbawi? This guy is standing in parliament telling Ghana for say 2028 they will take all the seats. We are here. We know and the NPP as a party 2028 we will nullify it. A Juma Mahamadu Bawumia the NDC, but you see, I know person who say way. Because the moment I'm strong candidates, and when people go out to vote, they are going to leave parliament, and they will leave parliament. This is a drunk. This guy is a Landguard, and the difference between only NDC, it is less than 1,200. It will happen. You are shocked, right? It's right there. After the market said, "I'm the first seat in 2028." Yawaha. Wait, Atchuma Ponuya. Atchuma Imponuya. Result in ye. MPP Nino, I friend set or say, onya 20 in 2020, onya 32,000. And this is in 29,000 in 2020. In 2024, the vote rate from 32,000 to 29,000. And this is in 28,000. Now 29,616 against 28,616. No, it means to say he only won with just 1,000. Now you are seeing it, right? Enti Atchuma Ponuya. Sa MP Afenyo set or say on person be able numbers. And they are not doing anything in their constituency. All that they are doing in parliament is fooling. When they are finished statue, you have a detailed one. Make sure the NPP will not survive 2028. And they keep lying to the people. Oh, we are there. You see the numbers. less than 1,000. Atwemamponua NDC will take it. Now, Mamencho Adiebi, Asante came south, and Asante came south. What number so where Asante Memu? NPP MPC somebody seat 2028. We are here. Asante Achem South, Kweku Asante, 2020 onya 33,000. And this is 21,000. In 2024, 33,000, Etiba 27,000, Oluzi about 5 to 6,000 votes. And this is jumping from 21,000 to 23,000, meaning some 4,000 to 3,000, 4,000 be shaho. This is Asante Achem South, or the parliament Jimmy. Me say, Afenyo Markin say, on a Sammy will say 2028, every seat they will take it. You will crum her. Me chram members no, and the me chram ka krebi. Ghana for bebre ohun. MP from the parliament temporal. Omu nyina temporal. Ebeka nipa be 14 pe in parliament in 2024, 2028. I'm telling you. Now, when we say numbers we where Karaga, sa Adams no. Oni vote bi as awo. Karaga Adams. Okay? Onya 28,000 in 2020. And this is 19,000. In 2024, the numbers is by 27,000. And this is jumping for 21,000. In Karaga, so 4 to 5,000 votes in the This guy, the take a NDC can take that seat. Inti Adams na nam hona. Oh yeah, me na me Bawumia advisor. He's not that strong. Oh. No. The NDC will enter there. And the NDC will do shege there. Metihano, we know what we are doing. Oh. Me chemo by 11 pe. In the same statement, John say NDC, we will win all the seats against NDC. We say more bodam. And I'm NPP for some heavyweight. Parliament LLC, limited liability candidates. Now look at this. Obuasi East elections, Obuasi East, Miami Territory, and this is that the NPP say they will pick all the seats in 2028. The NPP is a limited liability company. The candidates are limited liability candidates. Obuasi in 2020. Akwa was a doctor. Azambia and said, onya 27,583. 27,000 in 2020. And this, may he so rest in peace, Samuel Abuaje. May he so rest in peace. A very young man. Ononoka, Omomu, helicopter. Onya, in 2020, onya 14,000. In 2024, Obuasi East, NPP ninya 18,558. Our military, our police, our EC, our government, our money. And this may so rest in peace, Mr. Abuaje, on losing 18,539. NPP ninya 18,558. And as Samuel Abuaje, 18,539. You see the difference? In Route 30. 558 against 539. What was the difference? 58-39. It's less than 30 votes. 558 to 539. And then the MPP needed to parliament. Omo catcher said 2028. Omo baji seats in United. 19 votes. Now the party now power. Now our soldier on the side. Now our police on the side. Now our EC on the side. And also our albino on the side. Ultimately, the 19 votes depended to parliament. Kwasia way at war, Eddie Ghana for them. Ide here. When I am person who but we bunya make some MPP for Sam Afenyo Kachrem Kwa Unimsan Kwana Jimmy. Unimsa test convoy Jimmy. Okay, let me show you this. Parliament Central Region, Asin South, Sofumuko. MPP, you have no idea what is coming. Asin South, in Team 4 draw, 14,890. 13,989. And NDC in Stephen Kofi Bedu Jr. Enya 13,358 in Team Fojo or the less than 1,000 votes in the parliament. Or the less than 1,400 votes in Team Fojo, Sakwasiano, or the less than 1,300 votes at the parliament. And as in South the media mafa, NDC for Mamunye Bibia, it is for me. As in South, Meji Namdia ma NDC, Memedia, Mino Bian Preho. As in South belongs to me. I have taken that seat already. And nobody should talk. So for Moko Kromfona other than Kofo Chantrono. The numbers of the parliament 14,899 against 13,358. These are the numbers. Also, and the Afenyo Markin, you know, say, but this is for sitting now or that album. Onim so much Jimmy. Onim so much Jimmy. And all these people, these limited liability candidates, they are not coming back to parliament. Now, here's another one. Afenyo Markin say NPP will win all the seats. We are here. Tolong Kwaku Annan ote Afenyo Markin chen o parliament Kromfora na South Africa Australia na ko wia sika na oba na NPP for ye na MP no. Tolong MP no. Ni din e de Habib Idrisu. Akwara ayatiti nanim sa ayuwom no kurase ni bi no. Ha. The way you no ho no. Oko Tolong na 2024 elections. Habib Idrisu enya 30,893. NDC ninya 24,000, less than 5,000 votes. Maximum 5,500. This seat is a toss-up. It's a straightforward toss-up. And this guy is not going back to parliament again in 2028. Now, let's go to the next one. Takrade. We Nino, Kobi otchere darko, Takrade. NPP said that they will win 2028. They will take all the seats. We are here. Yeah. Takrade, Kwabena Agyarko Mensa, Abuaka Akuro, the Hopeson Adorye no, onya 16,413. NDC Nino Frederick Faustinos, onya 15,517. Sakwano, no regional minister, no security no. Military on the side, police on the side, Abai on the side. No, I galamsey no kuteska. Still, he got only 16,000. MDC ninya 15,000. Men Takrade, NDC will take it. Some question for good parliament, they say they will take every seat in 2028 in Ghana. 896 difference. And on the parliament. Sakwana ni nim se odaina ni nim tintin se efruponkono. Or the only 896 votes in the parliament. 800 votes. Now, or your regional minister, now, or your head of the RECSEC, Regional Security Council, military shall say, police shall say, EC shall say, Bibia shall say, or to be the only 800 votes in the parliament. Kobi otchere darko, you will take it. You see this guy in Hopeson Adorye. Kwasiade Afenyo, Frank Anodom Preno to parliament, Jimmy no hono. Wouldn't vote on the parliament. After Obo Tuo El constituency Kunipa, the military, the police, now or the Akufo Addo man is Sikano, wouldn't vote on the parliament. Akwana a friend Anodom Preno. In 2024 elections, onya 29,640. And this ninya 29,433. Or the less than 200 votes at the parliament. And I don't pray. The silly fool. Hey, Afenyo Markin. Or that the NPP for. And I don't pray. Parliament not to know. Or the less than 200 votes at the parliament. Or the 207 votes at the parliament. And I don't pray. Parliament not to know. The vote difference on the parliament. 207. Obotuo, obukunipa, or the soldier koho, or the police koho, or manipulate ye, HNG, a coalition center by 10 times, or the bar EC office the back ye, or the only 207 votes in the parliament. Kwasia way. Okay, let me say NPP Beji seat 2028. Yet, Another break Kunipa 2024. People got killed in his constituency. A young lady was shot dead. Or the soldier folk go boat wo. Ye change collation center by 7 times. Tolon. Omu Kunipa or Tolon. They killed somebody. UDS. We are here. We are not on prayer. Ofuasia Yirebi Kojo upon Kroma. Vote upon Kroma the constituency after the rigging. Onya 18,601. NDC ninya 13,000. Kojo upon Kroma, Sa 5,000 votes in the rigging, no. Kojo upon Kroma is not going back to parliament in 2028. Go to Insawoma Dweji, go to a year of Ofuasia Yirebi. Kojo upon Kroma think crying. And he thinks people like him because he's speaking English. Go to his constituency, he has done nothing. Well, no, he does not have any connection with his people. He will lose the seats. He's not going back to parliament again.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.